nothing crazy. Over people. I love hearing people sing songs that I know. So I'm like, yeah, I know that one. Ooh, okay, so I'm trying to think of what's near here in terms of milkshakes. I'm trying to think. We could go to Mom's, but I don't know if I need that big of one. We could go to a Shake Shack. I'm sure there's Yay!
Which is worse? Because I dropped your hand while dancing, left you out there standing, crestfallen on the landing with champagne problems. Your mom's ring in your pocket, my picture in your wallet. Your heart was glass and I dropped it. Told your family for a reason you couldn't keep it in. Your sister splashed out on the bottle, now no one's celebrating. Dom Perignon, you brought it, no crowd of friends applauded. Your hometown skeptics called it. You had a speech, you're speechless. Love slipped beyond your reaches, and I couldn't give a reason. Your Midas touch on the Chevy door, November flush, your flannel cure. This storm was once a madhouse. Made a joke, well, it's made for me. How evergreen, our group of friends, don't think we'll say those words again, and soon they'll have the nerve to deck the halls that we once walked through. One for the money, two for the show. I never was ready, so I watched you go. Sometimes you just don't know the answer till someone's on their knees and asks you. She would have made such a lovely bride, what a shame she's fucked in the head. They said, but you'll find the real thing instead. She'll patch up your tapestry that I shred.
Yeah, I had to swap the battery. Battery swap. Boom. Woo! Let's do it. Welcome back, Thankies. We're back. Oh, thank you guys so much for being here. So I was telling you guys that we have a donut goal right now. It's $600. I know it's a lot of money, but it's for this thing called the Get Wild Pass on Frontier Airlines. And what it would do is it would mean I would get free flights to anywhere so long as I'm getting them the day before. Hi again, thank you. We're here. So if we could reach that dono goal, I would be able to do that, and then I could fly places and do random streams from pretty much anywhere, including Orlando. I could fly in and fly out in one day. How insane would that be? So that's our current dono goal. We're heading vaguely north right now. How you going? Hello.